1977 word die eerste Star Wars film vrygestel.
Grease,
1978.
Broadway smash that made theatrical history by becoming one of the longest-running musical comedies of all time, breaks loose on the motion picture screen.
Mrs. Thatcher, one simply has to make you look and sound like the leader that you could be.
1979 word Margaret Thatcher as die Britse eerste minister verkies.
Shall we join the ladies?
Die 1970s was die era van ekonomiese streweling, kulturele verandering en tegnologiese ontwikkeling. Maar die een ding waaraan 'n mens dink as jy aan die 70s dink, is die musiek. In vanaand se nuusbulletin gaan ons luister na liedjies wat 'n groot impak gehad het op die musiekwêreld soos ons hom vandag ken. Wat 'n beter voorbeeld om mee te begin as die 1978 treffer.
First I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. I grew strong, I learned how to carry on until you back from outer space. I was hoping to find you here, that's I should have changed my super luck, I should have made you leave your key. If I know for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I'd crumble, you think I'd lay down and die. Oh no, not I will survive. As long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give. I will survive, I will survive. So all the strength I had not to fall apart, kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. But I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, now I hold my head up high. Losing me, somebody new, and I'm not that chained up to the person still in love with you. So you felt like jumping in and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my loving for someone who's loving me. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I'd crumble, you think I'd lay down and die. Oh no, not I will survive. As long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give. I will survive, I will survive. Go now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I'd crumble, you think I'd lay down and die. Oh no, not I will survive. As long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give. I will survive, I will survive.
Jy ingeskakel vir die nuus oor die 1970s net na die advertensiebreek.